Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set timer for taking photos on your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, open camera on your phone, and usually when you press shutter button, immediately photos will be taken. Okay, suppose if you want to set a timer for capturing photo, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is go to this timer button here and you can select the timer. Okay, from 2 seconds to 10 seconds available, maximum 10 seconds available, and 5 seconds is medium, and 2 seconds. Three more options are available: 2 seconds, 5 seconds, and 10 seconds. So now I keep on 5 seconds. What will happen after 5 seconds of pressing my shutter button? Photo will be capturing. See here, I would like to take a photo now. Okay, and I pressed shutter button, but it counts 5 4 2. Yes, it counts from 5 4 3 2 1 and taking photo. Okay, now I set to 10 seconds. What will happen after 10 seconds only? It will be captured. See there, it counts towards from 10 to 1. Yes, so in this way you can easily set a timer for taking photo on your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.